Circle of Stories, a journey through diversity. The facilitator begins by sharing a personal story. The facilitator goes around the circle, giving each person a chance to share their own stories. Establishing basic rules is important to ensure everyone feels comfortable and respected. Storytelling can focus on specific themes such as cultural identity, migration, diversity. The facilitator shares their own personal story. Others participants share their stories as the circle turns. Stories foster empathy and connection among participants. Viewers are inspired by the power and impact of stories. The community is strengthened through the sharing of each story. Stories bring together differences to strengthen the community.